Hey guys, I'm Brad Hightower. Thanks for tuning in to the Note to File podcast, a collection of interviews, best practices, and ramblings for clinical research sites. Thanks so much for joining us for episode 1. Make sure to check us out at notetofilepodcast.com. Today we're going to talk a little bit about what makes a good research coordinator. So if you've ever worked in clinical research before, you've probably noticed that research coordinators come from a wide variety of educational backgrounds, varying from high school diploma all the way to medical degree. Some sites require their coordinators be registered nurses, while others have no specific requirements at all. It's important to note that each site is unique, but aside from background, there are 3 main characteristics that make a successful research coordinator. The first is attention to detail. Coordinators are required to potentially manage multiple protocols at one time, including scheduling, subject visits, and data entry. It's important that coordinators are meticulous and attentive to ensure trials are performed with the highest of quality. The second is effective communication. A coordinator is required to communicate with a variety of different people throughout the course of a trial, including subjects, investigators, monitors, and other research staff. It's important that they can communicate effectively with all of these different groups to ensure that timelines are met and that studies are carried out in accordance with the protocol. The last is flexibility. A research coordinator's job duties can fluctuate wildly from day to day. One day they may be consenting patients all day in the clinic, and the next they may be doing data entry and responding to queries. It's important to be willing and able to respond to varying circumstances to be an effective coordinator. In my opinion, regardless of background, these are the most important characteristics for being a successful research coordinator. Most technical aspects of the job can be trained as long as the coordinator has a strong attention to detail, is an effective communicator, and shows flexibility in their work. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for listening to Note to File Podcast. Please make sure to rate, review, and subscribe, and check us out at notetofilepodcast.com.